Imagine using your power and authority to intimidate somebody who's just out there exercising their constitutionally protected rights.
For what?
Because you're recording all of this, so this is actually considered evidence. So I'm going to petition for a search warrant for the phone.
You're gonna petition a search warrant for my phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because
I came after.
So when you record all this, it's also considered evidence. So
I'm out in public. I'm out in public.
You're recording my investigation.
So
when you're recording my investigation, this is also evidence. So I can take that. I can ask for the search warrant for the phone. I need your name and date of birth.
No, I'm not giving you my name and birth.
If you don't give me your name and date of birth, then you can also be placed under arrest or RDO.
That is Officer Diaz from the Mooresville Police Department. He's going to try to use his power and authority and his super gruff and mean bulldog face to try to intimidate a woman into giving him her footage that she just recorded after a traffic accident. Watch how desperate Officer Diaz gets when he comes to the realization that this woman, she ain't gonna wilt like a fragile flower under the heavy hoof
of a tyrannical wildebeest.
Okay, that was a little dramatic and overly descriptive. No, it wasn't. He's a tyrannical wildebeest.
What? I'm filming, yeah. That's your husband right there? All right. We're live on YouTube. What happened? He got rear-ended? It looks like we got several of them. Hey guys, we're in Mooresville, and we are at a hey Paul, 1, 2, 3 vehicle accident. We're in Mooresville, North Carolina. Hello, Don. Hi, James. Hey, Uncle Sloppy. We're here in Mooresville. Accident. So. Right there. EMS. They have paramedics on board. EMTs. He's directing traffic. No. Hello, how are you? Good. For what?
Because you're recording all of this, so this is actually considered evidence. So I'm going to petition for a search warrant for the phone.
You're gonna petition a search warrant for my phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? I came after.
So when you record all this, it's also considered evidence. So
I'm out in public. I'm out in public.
Yeah. Anytime that somebody records anything with a crime, I can ask for it as evidence.
This is not a crime. It's an automobile. It's an automobile accident.
No, it's not, because I'm the one doing the investigation. It's actually a crime. So what's your name?
I'm not giving you my. I haven't committed a crime.
Well, you're recording.
I am recording in public.
You're allowed to record. That's
right.
But when you're recording, and it's part of my investigation. Because
it's a traffic accident.
It is more than a traffic accident.
Well, right now.
Were you over there speaking to the gentleman that caused the accident?
No.
Exactly. So I'm the one doing the investigation.
Right.
So it is more than a traffic accident.
All right. So I have no personal information of what's going on over there.
You're recording my investigation.
So
when you're recording my investigation, this is also evidence. So I can take that. I can ask for the search warrant for the phone, so I can record.
You cannot have my phone without a search warrant. You'll have to get a search warrant.
And that's why I'm asking you for your name. So now you're asking, and you're not providing me with.
No, because I haven't committed a crime.
But you have evidence to this.
No, because it occurred afterwards.
You're recording me.
I know, but it's after the fact.
You're recording me investigating him. Okay. So
Yeah, that's.
You're recording my test. When it comes down to my test, I need any video that proves my example, and you are recording that.
Right, so get a search warrant.
Exactly. In order for me to get a search warrant, I need your name.
But you've got a bad body camera. My phone will do nothing for you.
I need your name and date
No, I'm not giving you my name and
If you
birth.
don't give me your name and date of birth, then you can also be placed under arrest or RDO.
Are you gonna arrest me for?
I'm advising you of what can happen.
Are you saying that I'm under arrest for not committing a crime? For filming in public, I will be arrested.
Ashley, ma'am,
Officer Diaz mentioned arresting her for RDO, resist, delay, obstruct. And it's true. She is resisting, she is delaying, and she definitely is obstructing. She's resisting tyranny, delaying badged criminality, and obstructing his desire to violate her Fourth Amendment right to be secure in her person. You know, the bottom line is that this cop is abusing his position within society to try to capitalize on the ignorance of a member of society. We could bring up U.S. Supreme Court cases, but this guy swore to protect her rights, and here he is trying to intimidate her into giving up her rights.
and I'm asking you for your name and date of birth because you are recording a crime scene right now, which it is a crime scene as well.
All right.
A traffic accident. You're recording, so I'm asking you as evidence. Okay, so I'm trying to enter the video that you recorded as evidence.
But this occurred, I didn't record anything other than.
You're not understanding what I'm saying. So you got here after
I
the
have,
fact,
right, and I have no
Okay,
evidence.
Listen, when you got here after the fact, okay, you got here after the fact. When I got him out of my vehicle and I was doing
The fire truck was in the way. The fire truck was in the way.
Because I looked this way and you were
Right, you had already getting ready to cuff him.
You were recording this whole time my investigation. This is part of the evidence. Okay?
You have your body cam is better than what I got on here.
Any video in this area. Anybody recording that pertains to this incident can be entered as evidence. Okay? So that is why. Am I saying I'm gonna go out of my way to get your phone video? No. But if the circumstances shows up that I have to have that video in order to prove my case, then I will contact you about your video. That is why I need your name and date of birth so I can contact you for the video if I need the video.
No, there's no reason to.
We'll be right back.
I'm. Hey guys, it looks like I'm going to be arrested because I won't give up my camera footage. According to him, it's a crime scene. I'm videoing out here in public. So we'll see. Yeah, I mean, I will give my name and address if I was recording an accident and he said I was recording his crime scene or his crime investigation. I'm not gonna run away. Yeah, but apparently I'm filming out in public. I know I don't have to help with his investigation. No, I do not want anyone to call the police department. We don't need that. So, but anyway, he's right there. We'll wait. He wanted my my ID. I wouldn't give it to him. So, but anyway, it was Officer Diaz. Officer Diaz. I think it was DIAS. I didn't get the badge number. So yeah, guys, hit that thumbs up. I'm just waiting on Officer Diaz. He did say that he was gonna get a search warrant for my phone for my video. He said if I didn't give him my name and address, he was gonna place me under arrest for obstruction. Yeah, Teresa, I'm okay. So, he said he was good, but it looks like his supervisor told him, guys, you're gonna have to go earlier back in the stream. So, but yeah, it was that officer right there. Officer Diaz. Teresa, I am on Route 150 in Mooresville. At the Wendy's, I was coming to get a burger. So, there he goes, Officer Diaz. Right there.
This ended up being the walk of shame for Diaz. But honestly, guys like this don't appear to have the capacity to feel shame. They do have contempt, though. Deep-seated contempt for every member of the public who provides them their paycheck. They have maximum disdain for all of us and will try anything to get us to relinquish our rights. Watch out for them. They're everywhere. Always record the police. Get the cop's name, badge number, and department. Never feel compelled to answer any of their questions, and always understand that you are never under any obligation to help them in their investigation, especially when the investigation includes you. So when you see an Officer Diaz coming toward you down the street, the first thing you should do is get out your camera and start recording. And then stand on your rights. That's all you got to do. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. That's highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are also in the description for that. Grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, stand for your rights. Exercise your rights. If you don't exercise your rights, you will lose them. Yeah, freedom is dangerous. The only thing more dangerous is relinquishing them to bozos like Diaz. I'll see you in the next video.